That in a minute. Let's take a look at what's behind us here, which is not much to see, really. This is the live view from our 360 tower camera, and as you can see, low clouds and fog have it completely shrouded. Drizzle and fog now and 45 degrees. As you can see from our evening planning forecast here, we're not expecting any change tonight. Drizzle and fog to continue. Temperature may be dropping a couple of degrees between now and 10 o'clock. 43 is our forecast overnight low temperature tonight. So that cold air mass that's been in place all week is finally moving on out of here. In fact, everybody made it back into the 40s today for the first time this week in many locations. 45 in Georgetown right now, even some 50s off to the east. LaGrange coming in at 54. In the city, again, officially, we do have that fog and drizzle, and it's 45 degrees. At the airport, 46 degrees with fog and drizzle, and obviously very high humidity. A lot of moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico ahead of this upper low coming in from the west. I'll show you in a moment. No wind out there. At the airport, the winds are north at 3 miles per hour. Sunset at 5:53 tonight. The mole count was a little better today at 382, 9 on the Cedar low. We're expecting little change tomorrow. In fact, it could be lower as we see the weather conditions attribute to generally decreased pollen counts when it gets like this. Kind of washes it out of the air. 47 up in Dallas and in Waco. It's 52 in Houston, 45 degrees in San Antonio. Here comes the even milder air, some 50s, even 60s out there in far west Texas. And here comes the upper level low. You can see it moving out of southern New Mexico right now. It's already beginning to bring some rain into our area. Very light rain at the present time. The low itself will move from into the El Paso area late tonight and then move from there only to about right here south of the Big Bend tomorrow. That puts us in an ideal position for a significant influx of Gulf moisture being pulled out ahead of this system. Now watch what happens then. It does eventually move east of us, but not until late in the weekend. And so until that happens, we'll continue to have rain chances. I think widespread rain tomorrow, mainly light. Here's what our computer model does with it. Keeps us rainy through 11 o'clock tonight. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Light rain, the yellow, even maybe a little more moderate rain. Let's advance it through the afternoon. Here's your Saturday at 4 p.m. Light to maybe some occasionally more moderate rain showers. All right, let's go forward now. Here's Saturday night, 11. Moderate rain moving up into the area. And here's Sunday morning. Still have light rain. And then finally, it begins to shift off to the east as we go through the day on Sunday. Now, we think mainly light amounts, 1/4 to 1/2 inch out here in the western hill country, 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch in the eastern hill country. Here's Austin, and we're in the area, as is all of our eastern counties, that could see a 3/4 of an inch to maybe 1 inch of rain by the time this ends Sunday evening. Our own computer model actually puts us at about 1 1/3 inches out of this system this weekend. So that would be really nice and welcome. Well, don't worry about freezing temperatures tonight. Our lows will hold fairly steady all night long in the low and mid 40s. The highs tomorrow up into the low 50s, but it'll still be a pretty dreary day. Tonight, drizzle, fog, and 43. Tomorrow, 52. Fog, drizzle, and when it's not drizzling, it's raining. And that chance of rain tomorrow, we're going to put at 80%. We'll drop it to 60% with the rain coming to an end Sunday afternoon. And we're still thinking the holiday on Monday should be pretty darn nice with another cold front in here by Tuesday. Leslie?